Best 10-minute mindfulness meditation, calm mind, peaceful heart. Welcome to your 10-minute journey into mindfulness. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently. Now, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in slowly and breathe out completely. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. You're here, now, in this moment. As you breathe, simply observe. Feel the coolness of the inhale. The warmth of the exhale. If thoughts arise, it's okay. Acknowledge them. And gently return to your breath. Let your breath anchor you. Grounding you in the now. Let's stay here for a few more breaths. Present, calm, aware. Start with the top of your head. Feel the space there, soft and open. Move your attention down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Relax your jaw. Let go of any tension. Pause 10 seconds, peaceful music plays. Now, bring your awareness to your neck and shoulders. With each breath, allow them to soften. Move down to your chest, your stomach, feeling the rise and fall of each breath. Scan slowly through your arms, to your fingertips. Then down your back, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Feel your body completely at ease, present, safe, alive. Pause 20 seconds, nature visuals. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers. Take a deep breath in. And slowly open your eyes. You've given yourself the gift of presence. May this calm stay with you throughout the day. Thank you for joining. Take this peace with you. Subscribe for more guided meditations on Soul with Mind Tech.